So checking our daily time frame, we have seen that the market is on uptrend. Going to 4 hour time frame, we can see that the market is still obeying our uptrend. But going to 1 hour time frame, we can see that the market is trying to show us a change of structure, going to down, making a downtrend movement. You can see the 1 hour time frame, the market is making a downward movement. We can draw our trend line either using the candlestick or the wick. You can see the market is moving down using the 1 hour time frame. So if you see something like this, don't look for any opportunity. Before you look for opportunity, you have to ensure that one day is in synchrony with 4 hour time frame, is also in synchrony with 1 hour time frame. Then you go to 15 minutes time frame to look for opportunity to place buy. But if you check one day is showing uptrend, 4 hour is showing uptrend, and 1 hour is showing downtrend, don't waste your time and look for any opportunity. I hope you are following. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, the market is showing downtrend. So let's check 15 minutes time frame. So looking at 15 minutes time frame, you can obviously see that the market is still showing a downward movement. So in this case, you do not look for any opportunity to place buy or sell, because the market, they are not in agreement with the higher time frame. And mostly the higher time frame may tend to play out than the lower time frame. Though any change of structure begin mostly from the lower time frame, but the higher time frame is actually very, very important. Very important. So this is a simple top-down analysis. A simple top-down analysis. Like I said, as day traders, we go to D1 time frame. You look at it. Long time the market is, and currently the market is an on uptrend. You check the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, the market is still showing an uptrend. Then you go to 1 hour. 1 hour is showing us that the market is on downtrend. In this case, you don't look for any opportunity. You relax and wait carefully for 1 hour to show that it's going upward. Then if daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, they are all showing upward movement, then you can now come to 15 minutes time frame to look for opportunity to buy. So like I said, the strategy we can use support and resistance, because trend line also help us to show support and resistance to place our buy or sell. And we can also use another strategy that I normally use. Now, the strategy I normally use is every Monday I go to 4 hour time frame. Once I go to 4 hour time frame, I'll look for session break. I'll go to settings. When I go to settings, I'll click session break. Then I'll click OK. Now, you see this line, it indicates daily time frame. So from here to here, it indicate one day. From here to here, it indicate one day. From here to here, it indicate one day. So you can zoom it off to see it clearly. So what I normally do on Monday, after putting the session break, I'll look for the first two candles that will form on Monday. So let's take for instance, today is Monday. I'll look for the first two candles, the highest and the lowest of the first two candles. Now, this is the highest of this candle, the first two candles. This is the highest. Then I'll check the lowest of these first two candles. This first candle, this second candle. The lowest is still this one. So I'll demarcate it like this. Now, if the candle break upward and make up to 50 pips, I can use this ruler to measure my pips. If it break up here and make up to 50 pips, that means throughout this week I'll be looking for buy. Throughout this week I'll be looking for buy if it break up to 50 pips. But if peradventure the market break downward down here and make up to 50 pips down, I'll look for opportunity to sell throughout the week. So I will apply the trend line. I will apply this high and low of the week. And then there's what we call psychological level. I will show us how to draw psychological level on all the currency pairs that we are interested in. So that's the strategy I use. So to simplify things for me, I look for the highest of the first two candles that forms on Monday. This is the first candle, this is the second candle. I draw the highest line here, and around the lowest, I draw a line, and then watch carefully. If the candle, any of the candle break up and form up to 50 pips, I will know that this week I'll be looking for opportunity to buy. If the candle break downward and make up to move up to 50 pips within the week, throughout the week, I'll be looking for opportunity to sell. So I will use my trend line just like the way I indicate for you guys. I'll use my trend line. If I should buy now, using this trend line, if I should buy, I will wait until this candlestick touch this trend line. Then I'll place sell and write it down here. But the moment I see it's trying to retrace, I'll come out and wait again for another opportunity for the candle to touch the trend line again. Then I'll place sell. So you can use this one to place your buy or sell. And if it is uptrend, you apply the same method. So that's how to go about it. I hope with this simple explanation, you are able to understand what I'm trying to pass across. But in case if you watch it and there's any problem, you let me know so that we can discuss more about it. Thank you and God bless you. Have a pleasant day.